Procrastination is a common challenge that many people face in their lives. Whether it's putting off important tasks at work, delaying studying for exams, or postponing household chores, procrastination can be a significant obstacle to productivity and success. The good news is that there are practical strategies and techniques that can help you overcome procrastination, even if you're a beginner. In this article, we will explore 12 effective procrastination busting techniques that are easy to implement and can make a significant difference in your life. Set clear goals and priorities. One of the primary reasons people procrastinate is a lack of clarity about what needs to be done. Begin by setting clear, achievable goals and prioritizing your tasks. Create a to-do list and break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Having a clear sense of what needs to be accomplished can make it easier to get started. Create a schedule. Having a structured schedule can help you stay on track and reduce the temptation to procrastinate. Allocate specific time slots for your tasks and commitments. Stick to your schedule as closely as possible and be realistic about the time needed for each task. A well-organized schedule can provide a sense of purpose and accountability. Use the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. The 2-minute rule is a simple but powerful technique to tackle small tasks as soon as they come up. By handling these quick tasks promptly, you prevent them from accumulating and becoming overwhelming. Practice the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a time management method that involves working in focused, 25-minute intervals, called Pomodoros, with short breaks in between. This technique can help you maintain concentration and prevent burnout. Set a timer for 25 minutes, work on a task, and then take a 5-minute break. After completing 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Minimize distractions. Identify and eliminate distractions in your workspace. Turn off notifications on your devices, close unnecessary browser tabs, and create a quiet environment for focused work. Consider using website blockers or apps that temporarily restrict access to distracting websites or social media. Use positive reinforcement. Reward yourself for completing tasks and meeting milestones. Positive reinforcement can motivate you to overcome procrastination. Treat yourself to something you enjoy, such as a favorite snack or a short break, after accomplishing a task. The anticipation of a reward can make tasks more appealing. Find an accountability partner. Share your goals and tasks with a friend, family member, or colleague who can hold you accountable. Having someone to check in with and discuss your progress can increase your commitment to staying on track. You can also consider joining a study group or accountability group for added support. Break tasks into smaller steps. Large, daunting tasks are more likely to trigger procrastination. Break down complex projects into smaller, manageable steps. Focus on completing one step at a time and celebrate your progress along the way. Smaller tasks feel less overwhelming and more achievable. Visualize success. Visualization is a powerful technique that involves mentally rehearsing the successful completion of a task. Close your eyes and imagine yourself working on and completing the task with ease. Visualizing success can boost your confidence and motivation to start working. Use the 2-minute start. Sometimes the hardest part of overcoming procrastination is simply starting a task. Tell yourself that you'll work on the task for just 2 minutes. Once you begin, you may find it easier to continue working beyond the initial 2 minutes. The key is to break through the initial resistance. Embrace imperfection. Perfectionism often leads to procrastination. Accept that your work doesn't have to be flawless and that making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process. Allow yourself to start imperfectly and improve along the way. Progress is more important than perfection. Reflect and adjust. Regularly review your procrastination busting strategies and make adjustments as needed. What works for one person may not work for another, so it's essential to find techniques that resonate with you. Experiment with different methods and reflect on your progress. Overcoming procrastination is a journey that requires patience and consistent effort. As a beginner, Implementing these 12 procrastination busting techniques can help you take control of your time, increase your productivity, and reduce stress. Remember that it's normal to slip up occasionally, but with determination and the right strategies, you can make significant improvements in your ability to tackle tasks and achieve your goals. Start today, and you'll be on your way to a more productive and fulfilling life.